Well, ran up to the truck. Guess what, y'all? She ain't starting. Look at this, Trailblazer. Nothing. I got instruments on Mother's Day. Here we go. Letting the key, it actually shows we're in reverse, which is pretty crazy. So, but it's in park now. Check it out. We just did it. DIY arch in the house. Yeah. Little arch in the building. We doing it big. All right, we're back up. Thanks to where the boy at. Thanks to the boy coming help me out. I said I need rescue, and guess what? Rescue come and goes. He goes, you notice it's stuck in reverse? And I go, what? It says it's in reverse. And I'm like, you know what? I better start looking at that. Let's go down and see what this is. All right, we're underneath the Blazer. All right, what do we got? Look at this. Dude, we just did this. Wait, there's exactly what is wrong. See why it's good to know some information, guys? Look at, I gotta somehow manage to get that back on there though. This truck has I think over 150,000 miles on it, so these things happen. As simple as this, it'll stop your car. This thing broke off. All right, ready?
Yep.
Lost it.
Right here.
You traveled as far as it possibly could. You recording?
Yes, I am.
Bam.
All right, that's going on there first. So now, that was nice. Now that,
I just gotta put the little money clip on there. And we got done. I'm gonna flip that over so it don't come off. Guess what? You're set on that. Nice and tight.
wow.
Mission accomplished. $17 fix. Now we'll go ahead and price this and see what it would have costed if I'd had someone come and tow that thing from Walmart to their shop and then get it fixed. We'll find out what that would cost. All right, guys, till the next one. We out of here. Look at that. But that's it. We're gonna fix it here in no time and save me a lot of money. A lot of money. I was gonna get a tow truck, take it to the shop, get a diagnostic. All I did was go on YouTube, check it out. Ever gets stuck in reverse, Trailblazer. It's a 2009 Trailblazer. The video I watched was on an Envoy. They were doing it. So if that ever happens, you gotta get a little bit dirty, but you can get down there and you can fix that. But it's in park now. Check it out. We just did it. DIY arch in the house. Yeah, little arch in the building. We doing it big. That's how you do it right there. So now you know if you got a Trailblazer or even an Envoy, if that thing's stuck in reverse, you got to go underneath there and connect that cable again. It ain't no super major thing here, so which is awesome. We'll catch y'all in the next one. We're out of here.